obsessed with Shark's VACMOP. It is 2-in-1, so busy parents have small ones and there's always a spill daily. This makes it so convenient. You can vacuum up small things and then go ahead and mop over it. I'm going to demonstrate in this video for you how it works. It is lightweight, 3-4 pounds maybe, and included are going to be the disposable moppers. So I'll show you how to install those. You can either get the 2 or 4 pack included in the VACMOP, and then you're gonna have a complete clean solution as well. So it comes with 12 ounces, and then all you need to do is just buy the replacements. So I'm just gonna have the VACMOP in the main frame so we can get a closer look of it. So best feature is that it's a vacuum and a mop 2-in-1. The second best feature is that it is cordless, and it does come with the charger, which looks like this, and you'll just charge it magnetic right there. So it's charging, and then to put the solution in, there's just this cap right here, and then it will show you the max fill line, so you just go ahead and dump it in there. Mine is pretty much full, but easy to add the solution and to see when you are running low. And then we have 2 buttons. The one on the back of the handle is going to be for the vacuum, and then the one on the front is going to spray. So let me show you how amazing the vacuum is. Let's take zoom you in so you can see. Peanuts on the floor here. You can also hear the volume of it. I feel like it's like a normal vacuum. It has really good suction. Okay, and then it does have the headlights as well. Let's go ahead and I'll show you now the spray, how it sprays out. So you really don't need a lot. And then, perfect. So what I like is it's quick drying. Let me move this sticker. Quick drying, it does not streak either. And you can kind of, swivel it around. It has a really good swivel, so you can move it around quite a bit and get into those nooks and crannies. I have been at it on my hardwood floors, so it is kind of satisfying to see all of that come off, and you just go ahead and push this button here, releases it. So don't have to touch it, no mess. And then it's super simple to go ahead and put in a new disposable pad. This part with this shark thing goes facing up, as this is where it actually collects all of the debris and crumbs and all those things. So you'll just line it up and you'll hear it click. And the plastic part goes a little bit above it. And then if you see a crumb while you're mopping, just go ahead and vacuum and mop at the same time. It collects all of the debris and stuff in here, so it stays in there, and then you just toss this. You don't have to empty anything else out, which is great. So highly recommend this. It has been a lifesaver. We've had this for probably like 2 or 3 years now, and it gets the job done. I love that it's 2-in-1, so convenient, especially our place is mostly like hardwood surfaces, so 10 out of 10 for us.